Yeah, teacher. Hello. Hello. Nam chẳng nghe cô nói gì đó. Em bật ra 100 luôn đó. Chẳng nghe. I can hear you. I can't hear you. Yes. Yes.
There. Can you hear me? Okay, so where is Luke? Luke is not here?
Yes.
Okay, so my student for today is Pat, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how are you, Pat? How are you? You're good?
I'm very good.
Oh, very good. So I am sorry that I didn't see you last night because I don't have electricity here. There was a power interruption. That's why we have our class today. Okay? Okay, Pat? Okay, so
Yes.
so are you ready now for our class? Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, very good. You say, yes, teacher, I am ready.
Yes, teacher, I am ready.
Oh, very good. So for me to fully start our lesson, let me share screen. Okay. So let's wait for a few minutes, a few seconds, because I am sharing my screen now to you so that you will learn a lot. Oh, it's not sharing. Wait for a while. Okay, there. Wait, what's wrong? Okay, there. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so wait. I'm gonna do slideshow for it to become bigger, okay?
Yes.
Very good. So here, wait, it's loading. Let's wait for a few minutes because I prepared your lesson. Wait, okay, there. Can you see my screen? Hello, Pat?
Yes.
Oh, your internet connection is unstable. Oh, sorry. My internet connection says here is unstable. So there. So what is written on the screen? What is there? What's the question there, Pat? This one.
I'm ready.
Oh, are you ready again? Again, read it to me.
Yes.
Oh, are you ready? Yes?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, so now we have here. So if you are ready, I want you to listen to me, okay? Listen to teacher. Wait, I'll do something here because I can't see your face. I want to see your face. Oh, there. Okay, wait, I'll share screen again. Okay, so there's no problem with that. Here. Okay, there. So, let's start. Okay, so what is our lesson this afternoon? Can you read it?
No.
Again?
No.
Again?
Clothes.
Clothes. Very good. So we are, yes, good job. Very good. You say it correctly. Clothes. So we are now at lesson 31.3. Okay? Lesson 31.3, and that is clothes. Okay, now here. So our lesson last week, last Wednesday was about clothes, right? Still on clothes? Still remember that one? Do you still remember the lesson last Wednesday? The lesson we had? It's about this one. What's this? What's this? Look. Oh, patch.
T-shirt.
A t-shirt. Yes. Last week we had our t-shirt. Sorry, what happened here with my monitor? It's not okay now. So we have here vocabulary words. Again. Oh, here. Okay.
Sock.
Again. What's this?
Sock.
Socks.
Sock.
Again. There's S. Socks.
Sock.
Good. Socks. Next.
Socks.
Oh, very good. Wait. Okay, this one. What's this?
Sandal.
Okay.
Sandals.
Again.
Socks.
And then this one. The second one.
Sandals.
And the third one. What's this? Again.
Socks.
Oh, how about the third one?
Sandal.
And then this one. The third one. The yellow one. What is this? This is a. This one. Oh, wait. For a while, huh? There is really an interconnection. Wait for a while. Don't go out. Okay, there. I am sorry because the internet connection is unstable. So let me share screen again. Okay, there. Again, what is this? The first clothes that you said. What's this?
Sock.
Socks. There's S. You say socks. Again. Again.
Socks.
Oh, very good. This one, the second one. What's this? Sandal. Again.
Sandal.
Very good. How about the third one? What is this? Again. Slippers. Again.
Slippers.
Okay, very good. Now tell me, who wears sandals? Boy or girl? Oh no, socks. Who wears socks? Boy or girl?
Boy, girl.
Ah, boy and girl. Yes, because girls also wear socks and boys also wear socks, right?
Yes.
Do you have socks? Do you have?
Yes.
Oh, yes, I have. You say, yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Very good. Next, how about this one? Sandals. Do you have sandals? Like this? Like this? You have or no?
No.
No. So you will say, no, I don't have. Ikaw, say it.
No, I don't have.
Oh, because who wears sandals? Boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl, very good. Pat is a boy. That's why Pat don't wear sandals, right? Right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. You say yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, next. This one, what is this again?
Slipper.
Slippers. Okay. Do you have slippers? Do you have slippers?
No.
No. So you will say, no, I don't have. Again?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have slippers? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
You say, yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Oh, very good. Now, next. Okay, I have here again 3 different clothes. So now, let's go this one first. Look at the picture. What is the color of this thing? What's the color of this? This one, what's the color?
Brown.
Brown. Okay, let's try. What is this? Again, what is this?
Bus.
Boots. Again.
Boost.
Again, boots.
Boost.
Boots.
Boost.
Let's look at t. Boots.
Boots.
Okay, very good. Boots. Do you have boots? Do you have like this?
No.
No. You say, no, I don't have.
No, I don't have.
Yeah, very good. How about this second thing? Okay, listen. Oh, what's that?
Hat.
Hat. Have a hat?
No.
You say, no, I don't have. Again? No, I don't have. Again. You say it. No.
Yes.
Oh, you say it. No, I don't have. Again.
No, I don't have.
Hey, very good. Very good. Now, how about this blue thing? Look at it. Oh, shoes. Again.
Shoes.
Do you have shoes, Pat? Do you have a shoes?
Yes.
Yes. You say, yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Hi, very good. Now here, structure. So which shoes do you like? So you will say, I like
Boots.
boots. You will say, I like boots because the picture here is a boots. Again, so if the picture here is a slipper, what will you say? I like
Boots.
You will say, I like boots because this is a boots. But if this is a shoes, what if it's a shoes? So you will say, I like shoes. Again?
I like shoes.
Shoes. Okay, now, let's proceed. So I have here again a picture. So you are going to read and tick. Check, but you don't know how to check, so teacher will be the one to check it for you. Okay? Is it okay? Pat?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So yes, Pat says yes, teacher. So I will have here. Okay, here. What is number 1? What is this?
Boots.
Boots. Okay. Number 1 is looking for boots. So where is the boots? In the first, second, or third? Where is the boots?
Me.
First, 2. Number 2. Okay, I'll try to check. Meaning this is the answer of Pat. Next, number 2. What is number 2? Can you read this one?
Socks.
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 Okay, socks. Where is socks? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. Okay, I'll check it for Pat because Pat says that number 1 is a socks. Okay, let's go to number 3. What is this? Read number 3.
Sandals.
Sandals. Okay, very good. You pronounce it properly. Sandals. Okay, where is the sandals? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. Okay, I'll check this because Pat says number 1 is the correct answer. Now, number 4. Read number 4. What is this? Slippers. Okay, good job. So where is the slippers? 1, 2, or 3? Where is number
3.
3? Okay, teacher, it's number 3. So again, boots is 1. Your answer is number 2. Socks, your answer is in number 1. Sandals, your answer is number 1. And in slippers, your answer is number 3. Okay, let's try. Okay, wait. I'll clear the drawings. Okay, so here, let's try. Oh, the boots is here, so you're correct. Again, the socks, what number? What is again your answer in socks? 1, 2, or 3? In socks, what's your answer? 1, 2, or 3? Number? Where is socks? 1? Number 1. Okay, let's try to check if it's number 1. All right, very good, correct. Next, sandals. Where is your answer again in sandals? 1. Okay, let's try to check. All right, very good again. Next, number 4. Where is the slippers? Where is your answer again? Number 3. Yes, number 3. Oh, very good. So you got perfect score, 4, because you don't have mistakes. So now, let me review to you what are the clothes that we talked about a while ago. So what is the name of this again? This blue one? What is this? This is a shoes. Very good. This one, what is this?
Socks.
Again?
Socks.
Socks. Good. How about this one?
Boots.
Boots. Good. Okay. How about this one?
Socks.
Socks. Good. How about the second one? What is this? You still remember this one? We had this last Wednesday. Oh, this is our topic last Wednesday. What is the name of this? It starts with letter S. Again? Again? Louder?
Pant.
Oh, this is not a pants. Look at this one. Pants is longer than this. Again? Shorts. Good job. Still remember. Very good. Another point for you. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
Slipper.
Slippers. There's S. Spurs. Okay, good. How about this one? What is this? Sandals. Good. How about this one?
Hat.
Hat. Good job. How about this? The blue one?
Shoes.
Shoes. Good. How about this one again?
Hat.
Hat. Good. How about this one?
Boots.
Boots. Good. How about this? This.
Slippers.
First, okay. So we have here shoes, boots, socks, slippers, and hats and shorts. So which of these do you like the most? You like what clothes you like? Okay? What do you like?
I like shoes.
What else? Shoes. What else?
I like socks.
I like socks. What else?
I like shorts.
You like short. I like short. What else? That's all? 3? Or you have another one?
Sleep.
I like slippers. So let me review. You said I like shoes, I like socks, I like shorts, and I like slippers. So you have 4 clothes here in the picture that you like the most. Okay, next. Here. Okay, here. Look and encircle. Here. What is this? Look at number 1. Before you answer, can you read this one first? I want you to read because I want to check if you know how to read. Okay, what is this? Read this one.
Push.
Boots. Again?
Push.
Oh, show me your mouth. When you say it, you said boots.
Push.
Boots. Again.
Push.
Boots. There's letter T. This one, you have to pronounce this one letter T. Boots. Again.
Push.
Boots.
Push.
Okay, good. How about this one? What is this?
Pants.
Is pants short or long? Pants.
Pants.
Oh,
Pants.
pants is short?
Long.
Long. So you said pants is long. Again?
Yes.
Oh, you say it. Pants is long.
Pants is long.
Okay, good job. Now this one. What is this?
Hat.
Hat. This one.
Shoes.
Oh, shoes? There's no S. This one, shoe. Again?
Shoe.
Oh, if it's only one shoes, you will say shoe. Okay, if it's only one. But if there are 2, you will say shoes. What will you say? Again. Let me ask you. What if it's only one? What you will say? Only one. What will you say? That is only
Hat.
one. This one only. This one only. Only one. What do you call a shoe? Very good. Shoe. What if it's 2?
Shoe.
Huh?
Shoes.
Oh, shoes. Very good. I like it. Good job. So, this one again. Now, how about this? Please read this word. What's this? This one. Oh, this one. Read this one. Read. Socks.
Socks.
Oh, if it's only one, what you will call this one? If it's only one?
Two.
Oh, there are 2. That's why it's socks. If it's only one, you will say sock.
Socks.
2 socks. 1 sock.
Socks.
Okay, now, how about this? What's this?
Blouse.
Oh, blouse. Good. How about this one? What is that?
Slipper.
Slippers. Because it's 2 or many. But if it's only one,
Two.
oh, 2. There are 2. That's why slippers. If it's only one, you will say slipper. What will you say? 1 slipper. Again?
Yes.
Oh, you say slipper. Again, say the word slipper.
Slippers.
Slippers, two. Slippers. One.
Slipper too.
Oh, one. Slipper, no S. If it's one only, okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Look, very good, Pat. Good job. How about this one? The last word. What is that?
Sandal.
Sandals. Okay, good job. Oh no, not save. Okay, you know already how to read this. Now let's try to answer. What is this picture? Boots or pants?
Boots.
Boots. Okay, let's try to check if it's a boots. Ay, sorry. Where am I? Okay. Boots. Let's try. Very good. Good job. It's a boots. Now, this one. What is this? Hat or shoe? Number 2. Hat or shoe?
Hat.
Hat. Okay, let's try. Oh, very good again. Hat. Good job. Now, let's go to number 3. Okay, this one. Socks or blouse? What's this? Socks. Let's try to check if your answer is correct. Socks. Very good. Socks. Good job. Now, how about number 4? What is number 4? Slippers or sandals? Again?
Slippers.
Slippers. Let's try to check. Okay, good job. Slippers. So here, what are the words that are in the circle? Can you read it to teacher? This one, go. Read.
Boots.
Boots. This one.
Hat.
Hat. This one.
Socks.
Socks. Good. This one.
Slippers.
Slippers. Good job. Very good. I like it. Next. Okay, here. Circle. So you are going to circle if the answer is yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Again, your answer must be yes, it is. Oh, you say the word yes, it is.
This is.
Yes, it is. Again.
This is.
You say no, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Again, no, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Okay, so here, number 1. Is it a pair of socks?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's try. Oh, very good. So smart, Pat. So smart. Okay, how about the second picture? Okay, is it a pair of slippers?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Let me check if yes, it is. Okay, very good again. Yes, it is. Good job. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay, yes, it is. Oh, no. Okay, next. How about... No, what happened? Okay, now, this one. Is it a hat?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Again? Louder?
Yes, it is.
Let me check. No, it isn't. So, no, the answer of here is yes, it is. You are right. This computer is wrong because this one is a hat. So, Pat says yes, it is. So, that is the correct answer, not this one. Okay? Very good. You got correct. Check. Next, how about this one? What is this? Sandal. So, is it a pair of sandals? Is it a pair of sandals? What's your answer? Yes, it is.
Is
You or no, it isn't. What's the answer?
is
Yes, it is. Let me check. Okay, very good again. So Pat is smart. So you will say, I am smart.
I am small.
Oh, yes, you are smart. Good job. Now here. Oh, it's about spelling. You know spelling? Okay, so I have here pictures of the clothes that we talk about. So in here, there are missing letters. Again, missing letters. Okay, so you are going to tell teacher what are the missing letters for this word to complete. Understand?
Yes.
Oh, yes. So here, what is the picture shows? What is in the picture? What is showed in the picture? That is this one. What's
Slipper.
slippers? Okay, very good. Slippers. So, what are the missing letters in the word slippers? Look at the spelling of slippers. S P. Okay, what else? Wait. I'm gonna write it. Letter P. What's next to P? E. Good. Next. R. Next.
S.
S. Slippers. Good job. Very smart boy. Okay. This one. What is this? Look at the picture. This one. This is a. What is this? What's this? Hat. Oh, hat. Okay. What are the missing letters here of the word hat? Letter
T.
A and
T.
T. Wow, smart boy. Okay, very smart. Hat. Okay, how about this one? This is a boots. Okay, so what are the missing letters in the word boots?
O.
O. Next.
O.
O.
T.
T. And
S.
S. Very good. Boots. Good job. Now here, this one. Sandals. Okay, what are the missing letters of the word sandals?
D.
D.
A.
A.
L.
L.
S.
S. Sandals. Okay, good job. Correctly spelled by Pat. Very good. Now, since you spelled it correctly, now I want you to read the sentence. Okay, read this one. Read.
This is a pair of slippers.
Okay, so you will not say it is because you will say it's. It's a pair of slippers.
Slippers.
Again. Say it again.
Yes.
Say it again. Read.
A pair of slippers.
Ay, good job. Fast learner. Now, this one. Read this one.
Is a hat.
It's a hat. Again.
Is a hat.
Not is. You'll say it's.
Is hat. A hat.
Again. It's. Oh, it's a hat. Okay, good job. Now, how about this one? This one.
Is a pair of the top bus.
Oh, again, listen to teacher. Teacher will read it. Okay, look at teacher. Look at teacher. Okay, it's a pair of boots. Again.
Is a pair of boots.
You say it's.
Is
Not is.
a
It's.
pair
No, look at teacher. Look at teacher first. Look at teacher. Pat,
is
look at teacher. I see S. This is it's. Again. It's. Look at me. Look at me, Pat. You say it's. Again. Pat. Oh, you say it's.
is
Oh, very good. Oh, it's a hat. It's a pair of boots. Again.
Of boots.
Boots. Boots. Oh, pronounce the letter T. Okay. How about this one? How about this one? It's a pair of sandals. Again.
Is a pair of sandals.
Okay, good job, fast learner. Okay, now let's proceed to another word. Wait. Okay, slippers, hat, boots, and sandals. Okay, next. Okay, this one. I have here questions. Okay, this one. The letters are rumbled together. So what do you think is this word?
Shoes.
Shoes. Oh, let's try. I'll write.
S.
What's the first word? S. Next. H. Next.
O-E.
O-E. And the last letter? S. Good job. Now this one. Okay, next word. That one. What is that? What do you think is that? What is this? What is this?
H.
H.
A.
A. Uy. Letter
T.
T. So this is hat. What's this? Hat. Good job. Very good. Next. This one. What is this? Pat. What is this? B.
O-O.
O-O.
S.
T-S. So when you read it, it is a
Boots.
boots. Good job. Now next. Oh, how about that one? Letter
S.
S. Next.
L.
L.
E. O.
It's I. What's next to I?
E-R.
E-R. E-R?
E-P. E-P.
Oh, E-P. Next.
IP.
It's IP. IP. Next to IP.
P.
P. Next.
ER.
ERS. Good job. Very good. Teacher is so happy. Pat is so intelligent. Now, last word. What is this word? Okay, wait. Let me annotate. Okay. What is this word? Look at the jumbled letters.
S.
S.
A.
A.
A. D.
D.
A.
A.
L. S.
L. S. So it makes the word sandals. Okay, let's try if your answer is correct. All right. Number 1 is, what's this again?
Shoes.
Shoes. Next. Oh, what's it? What is it?
Hat.
Hat. Good. This one.
Boots.
Oh, you say boots.
Boots.
Oh, there's letter T. T.
Boots.
Good job. Very good. You have to pronounce letter T. Okay? Don't say boots.
Slippers.
Different. Okay, this one. Slippers. Next. What's this?
Sandal.
Sandals. Good job. So again, let me hear it again. Okay, read it again. What is this? Read.
Shoes.
Shoes. This one.
Hat.
Hat. This one. Pronounce letter T.
Boots.
Again, louder.
Boots.
Boots again.
Boots.
Boots again.
Boots.
Letter T. Boots.
Boots.
Okay, good job. I like it. This one. What's this?
Slippers.
Slippers. And the last word, this is?
Sandals.
Sandals. Good job. Now, here. Wait, I will erase first my writing. Okay, clear all drawings. So, what are they wearing? Look at the picture. So, what are the clothes that they are wearing? What are the clothes? Tell me. What are the clothes there? Look at there like this. This one, look at me. Look at teacher. What is this? This one. This is a?
Shoes.
Shoes. Good job. How about this? The blue one.
Pants.
Pants. Good job. How about this?
Skirt.
Skirt. How about this? It starts with letter D. D. What's this? Starts with letter D. D. What is this? D. Do you know what's this? This one? Do you know? It's called? Oh, no. Okay. So this is a dress. Again, dress.
Dress.
Oh, dress. How about this boy? The boy is wearing a yellow, what's this?
Books.
Not books. This one, the yellow, what's this again? Sweatshirt. Very good. Sweatshirt. Good job, Pat. Now, next. Okay. Before I end my Zoom meeting, listen, I'll ask questions to Pat for me to know if Pat listens to teacher. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I will ask questions. So, what are the clothes that we talked about a while ago? What are those clothes? Can you name some? What are the clothes that we discussed?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Oh, t-shirt. We did not t-shirt last week. Next, what else? The one we put in our hair. Shorts. Yes. The one we put hat. Good job. Good job. What else?
Dress.
Dress. Good. Very good. Next, what else? Again?
Coat. Coat.
Coat. Yes, coat. If you want to go again?
Sweater.
Sweater. Good. What else?
Sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt. Good job. What else?
Shoes.
Shoes. Good. What else? Sandals. Good job. Another one.
Boots.
Again?
Boots.
Okay, boots. Again.
Yes.
Boots. What else? What else?
Socks.
Socks. Good. What else?
Slippers.
Slippers. Good job. So, now, what are you wearing today? Can you stand? I want to see what you are wearing today. Okay, look at what you're wearing today. Tell me.
A t-shirt.
Okay, you say, I am wearing a t-shirt.
I am wearing a t-shirt.
Okay, what is the color of your t-shirt? All right, good. What's the color?
The t-shirt is purple.
Oh, you say, the color of my t-shirt is purple. Again?
Yes.
Say it. The color of my t-shirt is purple. Okay, say it again. Follow teacher.
My t-shirt is purple.
Oh, you say that my t-shirt is color purple. Color purple. Again.
My t-shirt is color t-shirt.
Color t-shirt.
Purple.
Yes, it's color purple. Now, I have here, listen, look at teacher. Look at me, look at me. Okay, so a while ago, I have observed that it's you got hard in saying the word boots.
Boots.
Again, show me your mouth. Can you
Boots.
show me
Boots.
do like this. Letter T, T, T. Say boots.
Boots.
Again, I like boots.
I like boots.
You say the boots is color brown. The boots is color brown. Say it.
The boots is color brown.
The boots is color brown. You will also say, I have a boots. Okay, say it.
I boots.
My boots is new.
My boots is news.
New, not news. New.
News.
Again, my boots is new.
My boots is new.
You'll say, my mother bought my boots.
My mother
Bought?
boots.
My mother bought boots. Okay. So again, you will say, I love to wear boots.
I love to wear boots.
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 Show me your mouth then. Show your mouth. Look at here. Boots.
Boots.
Oh, boots. Why boots? Boots.
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 Very hard. Letter T. Boots. Again. Last one. Boots.
Boots.
Very good. Don't forget to pronounce letter T. Okay? Oh, what's that? Okay, listen ha. Don't forget to say letter T. Letter T. Again, letter T.
Yes.
T makes the sounds T. Again.
T.
Yeah, T. So if you say the word boots, there must be letter T. Letter T. T. Okay?
T.
T. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, teacher, I understand. You say, I understand.
I understand.
Okay, so that would be all for today, and I will see you on Monday.
What's this?
Monday. You'll say, I will see you on Monday.
Yes.
You say it. I will see you on Monday.
I will see you on one day.
Very good. So you will say, I am smart.
I am smart.
Teacher is happy because you got correct answers. You know how to spell and you also pronounce the word boots. So, okay. So that would be all for today. Goodbye, Pat. Goodbye. Okay. See you on Monday. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.